Hey guys! Oops, I did not mean to press on them. Well, hey guys, it's Nate Shot here, and today I am gonna be looking through my mail, um, and just doing random stuff, I guess. I don't really know what I'm gonna be doing. Probably gonna be decorating some of my animals more. That's from a fashion show. As you can see, it's very ugly. Um, but yeah. Yeah. Well, uh, um, oops. I don't know what just happened, but, okay. Yeah, okay. Um, I wanna see, okay, finally. Okay, so yeah. Oh, this was for a fashion show. First one, Oxybenzone 777. Rainbow armor. I'm not sure how good that is, but I'm pretty sure it's good. Oh, I was gifting back. Hat and curly wig, I don't think that's good, but you know, whatever. Beta window, I don't think that's very good either, but I could be wrong. Rainbow wristbands. Hula skirt. Camera. Genie vest. Ice cream sundae. Okay, I have a lot of those. Donut tray. Skull helmet. I'm not sure if that's how good that is. I don't really know how good any of these are. I should probably be showing to users. Okay, I can't click on that person's name tag. Oh, this is my sister. Look at his look. That's funny. Poodle sofa. Deep blue, which I already have. Oops. 2018 banner, which was by 300 hours. I can't. Okay. Why won't it let me see that you? Okay, fine. But she was wondering what was for my Pinterest scent, and I don't think I'm gonna trade it away. I don't think that person traded me. This person traded me a lot. So did this person. Yeah, I think those are really the only people that really traded me. This person did. This person did. Star Kid. Graveyard. Devent. Okay. Well, anyways, that's what I got. So yeah, now I'm gonna be just I'm probably gonna I should make a look on my raccoon with the items that I got. Okay, let's see here. The ducks are kind of cute. That would go together, but they're just not. Oh, that's cute. This is hard. I really want to use the rainbow thing, though. let's make a look. And I'm actually gonna buy rainbow wristbands because I want a different type. Let's see here. Oh, here they are. That doesn't really match. That doesn't really match either. That kind of matches. That doesn't really match. That kind of matches. I think I'm gonna go with these. Now let's just make a look. Let me just see what this actually looks like. Okay. There's some purple. There's some pink. There's some yellow. I wonder if that looks okay. Let's keep looking for more stuff. How would that look? Maybe it won't. That doesn't really look good on the raccoon. Yeah, that doesn't look good on the raccoon, but whatever. Let's look for a neck item. That will probably look good. No. Yeah. Okay. I don't think I'll wear a head item. Yeah, none of these stuff really looks good. Maybe that though. Yeah, I think I'll go with that. Okay. This is my look for my raccoon. Okay, let's go. Here. Hopefully there's something that I can go to. Okay, we're going to this person's den. We need to, let's see here. No. I need to look like a high school. Maybe I should be a cheetah. We should have a backpack. I don't think there's any backpacks. I need a backpack. I really need a backpack. There's no backpacks. What? Aww. I really wish there was a backpack. There's no backpacks. That's sad. I like those homemade rings. Those are cool. I'm just gonna buy those just cause. No, that doesn't really look that good. That doesn't really look that good either. No. Let's go to head. No, definitely not. That doesn't look too bad on the cheetah, but still. Nope, nope, nope. I don't really know what to wear. Wait, do I? Oh, I do. I don't have a backpack, but whatever. I wanna go to all these kids. Well, actually, I'm not sure. I love warrior cats. Yay, everyone loves them. The person moved from the the back. Great. I want to be a red panda, but I don't think I have a red panda. No, I did not mean to turn into this. No, I did not mean to turn into my owl. No, please, no. Come on. I'm sorry, I'm coming back. Please. Yes, we do. Scourge is literally my favorite character in Warriors, which might seem a little... I do have a red panda. I'm gonna become a red panda. I need to, dress up, though. But you gotta admit, Scourge is the best. Scourge is the best warrior. I'm gonna make a part 2 of this, because I kinda have to go. Well, I don't have to go, but, I actually like Ashfur. Ashfur, I'm probably the only person that actually likes Ashfur. Yep. Well, anyways. I mean, he's not my favorite, definitely. I don't really like him, but, he's not my last favorite warrior cat. Anyways, I'm gonna make a part 2 of this. So, yeah. Bye!